Hi, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Kunal Devangan. I'm here to explain you in my own words about this new emerging technology called cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin, or blockchain. So, what is cryptocurrency? What is blockchain? Uh, Blockchain is a technology. Technology just like internet banking, just like credit cards, just like debit cards. It's a technology in which you are replacing a previous version to a newer or better version. Now, why do we need cryptocurrency and why we don't need cryptocurrency? Well, we do need cryptocurrency because it is a more democratic system of finance. Now, what do you mean by democratic system of finance? Let's go back around 13 years. Around 2008, there was global financial recession triggered by banking policy adopted by certain American banks like Freddie Mac, Fannie Mac, in which they were giving very low rate home loans to American public, and they were even giving these home loans to students or someone who will probably not be able to repay it soon. This was, let's say, a wrong decision, was a stupid decision. So these big banks, JP Morgan's, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mac, all these big banks took some kind of decision out of competition between the banks with their economy, and this led to failure of banking system in the US. And since the banking system of the US is kind of connected to the rest of the world, the recession in US was automatically visible in the rest of the world. Like wherever the US economy is pegged, it was directly evident. Even there was a time that due to this 2008-2009 recession, there were, let's say, job losses in India or in elsewhere. So this Bitcoin or cryptocurrency is a decentralized financial system, which means it doesn't really have one owner. It doesn't really have one financial or let's say owner to regulate or to check the transactions. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a technology again, which we can simplify as a software, which is let's say approving certain transaction from one point to another. So, what is banking system altogether? It's basically transaction of a currency or a note or some form of tender from one person to another for in exchange of goods and services. Now, previously in olden age, there used to be gold coins or even rice and bags and barter system. There was a Kaudi, and there were a lot of small currencies. Then recently there was gold, which was exchanged in form of gold bags, and that was altogether replaced with paper tender, which we know as banknote, which is the legal tender in which our head financial institution says that it is a legal tender, and they are responsible. The financial system like Federal Bank or Reserve Bank of India or the elsewhere, the federal head banks are responsible of the value of that particular tender. It could be $1, $2, any dollar. Moving on, we'll discuss about blockchain in the next video.